So I just placed an order on NBA USA, and the information you have to add, it had a business name box and it was optional, but I entered mine anyway, and I went ahead and placed my order. And these guys are known to sell some of the most comprehensive education online, and it's supposed to be really really hard to get into, but let's see real quick. I'm gonna go back over here real quick. Once I placed my order, I didn't create a login or anything to begin with. I just used PayPal to check out, and none of this was really visible because it said security professional items are not shown unless you're a member. And so once I paid, it immediately shot me to an option to save my information and create an account. See, there's my receipt up at the top from PayPal, and then immediately it asks if you want to create an account. And then I was like, fuck it. Made a password. That's my order. Something from a Keyway King, same here, and some blanks. And then once I created my account, I hit the home page or icon, and I immediately had access to restricted items. There's no vetting. So pretty cool. And not real secure. I'm not sure if there's going to be a vetting process through an email or anything, but let's just do drill rig and see if we can pull up restricted items without any thorough vetting. No business license pictures have been exchanged or anything. And you can see I have access to a strong arm. I'm going to add it to my cart. I'm going to proceed to checkout, see if it'll allow me to buy it. I'm not going to purchase it, but let's see. Oh, there's my info. No one no one harass me, please. Okay. All right. My heart is beating fast because I don't want to accidentally spend $1,000. I already have a strong arm. And as you can see, I can select my PayPal using your account, and then agree. And then if I hit continue, it's gonna check me out. So you see, I have unadulterated access now to anything I want. Just real quick, probably 15-30 seconds more. Let's see if we can buy a blitz machine or a code cutter. I don't know if they sell it. We have adapters, jaws, and the machine itself. Add to cart. There you go. Oh, it's out of stock, but I can get notified. As you see, the security industry is not secure. Thanks for watching.